when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have beef ribeye steak and beef round steak. We're about to get it cracking, and it's good live later on. So if they do right now, if it's go ahead and chop it up real good, and then we're gonna marinate it for 5 hours. After that 5 hours, it's time to start the live. So I hope y'all go ahead and tap in with your boy and come show up and show out. You know what I mean? Come chill with your boy. Make sure y'all have y'all drinking y'all cup, you hear me? Let's get it. Okay, that's how we looking right there. So now we're gonna put together our little marinade. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now we're gonna do, I say about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. That's a lot of steak right there. That's about 3 tablespoons right there. Cornstarch. About the same. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. If you have soy sauce, add that, but I ran out of soy sauce. Now, we just add our meat, our steak meat, little cool little slices. You know, kind of thin. Now you just want to go in and just mix it, just like so. Couple hours in the refrigerator. I'm gonna transfer this into a Ziploc bag though, and put it right there in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. And the steak will be nice, marinated, and tender, and juicy. Just watch and see. Like I said, the only thing I'm missing is the soy sauce. Alright. So, there we go right there. That's how it's looking. I'll see y'all in 5 hours. Be ready to go live, y'all. In 5 hours.
Hit dice.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You add your little oil, little vegetable oil. Oh, There we go right there. Now I see y'all in 5 hours.